only dress Papa's matchbook wasn't big enough. I was standing on the side of the road, rain pouring on my shoes, heading out to the East Coast. God knows I paid some dues just getting through. Tangled up in blue, tangled up in blue. She was married when we first met, soon to be divorced. I helped her out of a job, I guess, but I used a little too much force. We drove that car as far as we could, abandoned it out west. We split up on the docks that night, both agreed it was for the best. She turned around and looked at me as I was walking away. Then looking over her shoulder, she said, we'll meet again someday on the avenue. Tangled up in blue, tangled up in blue. I went up to the great Northwest, worked as a cook for a spell. I never liked it all too much, and one day the axe just fell. So I drifted down to New Orleans, where I was lucky just to be employed. Worked for a while on a fishing boat right outside of Delacroix. And all the while I was alone, the past was right behind her. I saw a lot of women there, but she never escaped my mind, and I just grew tangled up in blue, tangled up in blue. Working in a topless joint, I stopped in for a beer. I just kept looking at the side of her face in the spotlight so clear. Then later on, when the crowd thinned out, I was just about to do the same. She's standing there at the back of my chair saying, tell me, don't I know your name? I muttered something underneath my breath. She studied the lines on my face. I must admit I was a little uneasy when she bent down and tied the laces on my shoe. Tangled up in blue, tangled up in blue. She lit a burner on the stove. She offered me a pipe. I never thought she'd say hello. She said you look like the side of time. She opened up a book of poems. She handed it to me, written by an Italian poet from the 13th century. And every one of those words rang true, burning bright like coal, rolling off of every page like it was written in my soul from me to you. Tangled up in blue, tangled up in blue. I stayed with them on Montague Street, in the basement down the stairs. There was music in the cafes at night, and revolution in the air. She started messing down in low, something inside of her died. She had to sell everything we owned, and I froze up inside. Then later on, when the bottle fell out, I became withdrawn. The only thing I knew how to do was keep on keeping on like a bird that flew. Tangled up in blue, tangled up in blue, yeah. Up in blue, tangled up in blue. Well, now I'm going back again. I gotta get back to her somehow. Well, all the people that we used to know, they're an illusion to me now. Some are mathematicians, some are carpenters' wives. I don't know how it all got started, what they're doing with their lives. For me, I'm back on the road, headed for another joint. You know we always felt the same, we just saw from a different point of view. Tangled up in blue. Tangled up in blue. Tangled up in blue. Tangled up in blue. One more slack Dylan for you. Thank you very much.